how to withdraw money from Steam account. So if you want to see how much money you have on your Steam account, what you want to do is just load up Steam, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you will choose View My Wallet. Now here, this is going to load up your wallet, so current wallet balance. This is going to be how much you have in your wallet, and if you want to withdraw it, unfortunately you cannot do that. That is on the official Steam webpage. But what you can do is either buy some games, or you can gift your friends some games. For example, if you have their birthday coming up and you want to surprise them, you can get them a game. So here I'll just go back, and for example, if you want to buy this game here, For Honor, the deal, we will choose add to cart, and then we will choose this is a gift and view my cart. Now here you will select continue to gifting options and select gift recipient. You can choose whoever you want to gift this game to, and that way the money wouldn't have been wasted, but instead it is going to be used for another reason. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.